Hello everyone, this is JCI India from Goa and attending an amazing training.
And I'm attending it for the first time, and the faculty for our speechcraft is.
Hi everyone, I would really like to share my speechcraft experience.
I'm so fortunate to have attended the session of effective public speaking.
Speechcraft is the word itself. It looks like a terror actually, and everybody in the zone actually told me that.
Though I was a speaker all year and I had a lot of awareness talks and other things, but was not knowing the main points of how to go ahead with it, which I have been learning since 3 days now. Today is the third day and it's amazing.
And I was fortunate because I had the world's famous trainer, Mr. Rajan Kumar.
I really had a good experience. So made us awake till 2 o'clock, but the session was so fruitful because Sir had told us where we are going wrong, which will help us in future to be a good trainer.
He efficiently delivered this lecture on effective public speaking.
It's amazing. We have our pilot sir, Ranjan Kumar Varanasi, who is all the way from Visakhapatnam, and he's amazing. It's true. Giving us the feedback, a natural feedback. Like
Ranjan sir made it so easy and so effortlessly. We learned as well. We learned as much as we wanted to learn, but without struggling so much.
And I must say I have really benefited from the inputs I gained from this 3-day camp.
But when I actually came for speechcraft with a lot of scare, but the pilot faculty and the co-faculties, Rajan sir, made it so beautifully smooth, like ice cream I would say, is because I think that is the way he is. He's got so much of information inside him and so much to learn from him.
I learned how to be confident speaker.
So it was really fun and also a lot of learning, and the way he speaks and the way he gives the knowledge. It's like his knowledge is not just for speaking but also for life as well, which we can implement in life and which can really give us success in other.
need to be a natural speaker. So that's what we need to have. Since professionals, we need to have these kind of feedback so that we can again grow in our own.
And when he corrected us at every stage of our learning, it was excellent. And I'm very fortunate, and I will come every time he conducts a training anywhere in India.
That we were able to make this experience so beautiful. It didn't look like it was a roller coaster. He himself took all the roller coaster on his head.
So it was really great experience with him. I would say all should and learn. Like it's really great experience, and 3 days learning is really awesome.
And then gave us a beautiful experience.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, and
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And this is JCI India from Purore itself, from Goa. Thank you.